Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Born Pretty Store recently released 11 new Halloween stamping plates, and with my love of Halloween I just had to purchase them. I'm going to break this down into a few videos. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Halloween L001 and L002. And as always, you can find information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper. I have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. I'm going to start with Halloween L001, and I'm going to be also using a black nail tip along with a pearl white stamping polish. The Skelly Man that I'm going to swatch, on second look with the photo swatch, I wasn't as happy as I thought I was. So I thought that I would try again with a different colour stamping polish this time, and this has come out so much better. He's such a cool design. For the next swatch I'm going to use a green nail tip along with a teal stamping polish. Some of these swatches I'm removing the excess, and I'm doing that with my lint roller. You can also use a piece of tape or the back of the scraper. Now some of them I do remove, some of them I don't remove though. Now I did use this image in my Manny. She looks so very cool, and she would look even better I think with a little bit of added colour, but she has stamped really well with the amount of detail she has. For the next swatch I'm going to use a purple nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. These roses are stunning. There is also some on the other side. Maybe a little bit weird for a Halloween plate. Either way they're beautiful. Love the detail on the stems as well. Now for me personally, I could make a Manny just out of both of them rose images. I think they would look stunning. Moving on to Halloween L002, and I'm going to be using a grey nail tip along with a black stamping polish. There are some really cool Skelly Bob images on this plate. There's actually quite a few to be fair. When making a Skelly Bob Manny, he's definitely going in there somewhere, as well with the one below him, the one with his head in his hand. Them two images together I just think are going to be great. I want to see how the sides of these fit onto nails when making a Manny. I'm wondering if they're a little bit too big. For the next swatch I'm going to be using a green nail tip along with a green stamping polish. I was so unsure what colour to do this swatch in, but I really do like the green though, if somewhat unusual. I did use this image also for my Manny, and I couldn't get it all onto my thumb, even at the length they are currently at, but this is a cool design though. For the next swatch I'm going to use a coral nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. With this design you could cut out the butterfly and other bits and pieces around the tree, but I love how the tree and spiderweb looks. It will make a fantastic nail, but again there is a lot of detail going on within this whole swatch. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and Manny that I've created from Born Pretty Store Halloween stamping plates. Halloween L001 is just packed full of amazing Halloween inspired designs. What I love is it's not what I would call traditional designs. I've taken 18 swatches from across the plate. Some are just random swatches, and then others I've removed what was around them as well. Now what does annoy me though is that they have made the amazing Happy Halloween sign with all its glorious detail, yet it's so big you're going to need really long nails and to place it over a few of them at that. It really does annoy me when companies do this. However, these images will either create a whole mani or add something extra to create an amazing Halloween mani. I have already chosen some of the designs to be used in my Halloween mani a day that I'm going to be doing through the month of October this year. A lot of these smaller images would probably work best with a smaller stamper. These were really easy to use. I had a lot of fun working with these. But even though I have over 30 individual Halloween stamping plates, these new ones will be very much well used this coming Halloween season. Now for the mani, I've used both plates to create one mani. So let's move on to the second plate and I will show the mani at the end of the video. Halloween L002 is also packed full of stunning designs, of which I've taken 22 swatches. I got a little carried away. I've only used the Tiffany Duo for them, but I would probably say that a smaller stamper would be better, as there is some very teeny tiny images. Most of the images are along the Skelly Bob, ghost, few pumpkins here and there, and then a few other images, but most are the Skelly Bobs and ghosts. Now there was an area that I was a little worried I wouldn't get to pick up, and that's the open space image area on the bottom right. However though, I don't know what happened, but it swatched really well for me. I was super surprised. Again, you could make a whole mani just from L002, or maybe like what I did and mix it with one of the others to create a fabulous Halloween mani. Again, it swatched brilliantly just like the first, and to be fair, there is a lot of detail across both plates. But it was really easy to work with. Whether you're new to stamping or have been stamping a while like me, they will be a great addition to anyone's stamping collection. These first two Halloween stamping plates from Born Pretty, I really like. They're quite different from the normal Halloween plates that I've come to expect, but I can't wait to get creating. So for the mani, I had this stunning red nail polish just arrived, and I thought it would work really well for Halloween. I've also used a green gold metallic stamping polish which looks stunning, and I've used both L001 and L002 to create the mani. I was sort of going down the theme of skeleton and roses. Now this is something that I don't think I've ever done before in a mani, but I really like it. It's quite unusual for me for Halloween, but I think it looks stunning though. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Born Pretty Halloween stamping plates L001 and L002. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.